Hey guys, so last time we drew a few animals starting with just a circle, and this time we're going to go back to one of those examples of how we drew the cat, and we're going to do a few other ways that are really simple to just draw a little cat. So you might prefer some of these other ways better, and I'm just going to show you each of them so that you can choose how you want to do it. Now remember, before we started with a circle, we put a smaller circle at the bottom of that circle. We gave it triangle ears. We gave it little sleeping eyes, maybe some eyelashes. And then we gave it a little bitty nose. We put its mouth around the nose, some whiskers. And then we had the tail wrap around here. And there's our little kitty cat number one. Now, I'm trying these for the first time as well, so you can just see that it doesn't have to be perfect and how easy these actually are to learn. I'm not practicing a bunch of times and then showing it to you. So we're going to start with a little egg on its side for this kitty. Just a sort of egg on its side. And we're going to give it some triangle ears. Okay? And yours might not look exactly like this one or whatever you base it off of, but that's okay because just embrace whatever style you see crop up and work with that. Always work with what you have will look better than trying to force something different. We're gonna make this kitty asleep too because that is very cute and very easy. And then here's where we're gonna get a little bit different than right here. We're gonna get more of the body, and how we're gonna do that is just a little loop right here. That's it, just a little loop. And then the next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna have that come all the way back here, and we're gonna put out a paw right here. Maybe some little toes on the paw here. And you can make it furry if you want to. I like to add a little fur there. Little eyelashes here. Just jiggling it. Okay. And you can give him another little paw to be sleeping on. Okay. Here's little other paw here. And then with his tail, we're actually gonna have it swing down here. Swing down here. There we go. That's that little kitty. And we can give him some stripes on his back if you want to. Make him a little tabby kitty. Some rings along his tail. Give him a little kind of, there you go. So that's another way to do a little kitty. This is going to be another way to do a little kitty. We're going to just start, instead of having a big circle or a little egg, we're gonna start this time with a little oval like this at the bottom here. It's kind of a little, almost a little semicircle like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to come up, like we're going to make an egg, but we're going to stop, and we're going to give him a nice triangle here, a nice triangle here, and a straight line right there. Now you're going to want to do a little arch, a little circle, because that's typically what you do with a cat, but with this little kitty, which is a kawaii type illustration, we're not going to do that. You're going to come down a good bit on here and do your little eyes. And this kitty's not sleepy. His eyes are closed because he's smiling. As you can see, that's kind of the bottom half of a circle when they're asleep. And whoop, the top half if they're smiling. Now right in between there, even with the eyes, you're gonna make a little nose. Again, a little tiny little mouth there. Super cute. Little tiny short whiskers at the end point of the eye. And then we're going to put our little feet down here. Boop, boop, boop. And then a little chubby little tail out to the side like this. And that's more of a little quiet. Again, really rough because I've literally never done that before. But we are just giving it a try together. And this one is a little bit more, I guess, gothic style. Cute little kitty. So let's try this one. This is new for me too. Okay, so we're gonna start with a little circle. Okay, and we're gonna give them big ears for this one. Really close together triangles. Just absolutely like almost bat ears. Just kind of ridiculously sized little triangle bat kind of ears. And then really could be a bat. Well, we're not gonna let it be a bat though. We're going to smooth that out here. Gosh, you know, to me it still looks like a bat. From the tip to right here, we're gonna do a little curve. That shows the inside of the ear. And then we're gonna do the body. We have little tiny shoulders here. And little cat's paws come down like they're little models. That's what they do. And their little bodies come down like that. And their little legs. Boop. Their little back legs. Here's a little foot. Here's a little foot. Here's a little foot. Here's a little foot. And then I'm gonna add our eyes. And our tail. So tail's gonna come off a little booty here. And it's gonna come around here. Nice little snaky tail. You want lots of curve in that. You want to keep it kind of skinny. Okay, and then with this cat, you're gonna give it really big eyes. Yep. And like this. I still think this looks like a bat. But okay. I think I'm gonna make these too pointy. Maybe like we can downsize these ears. I still feel like that looks like a bat. I don't know. Then they've got a little nose really close to the eyes here in this. And then what they've done is they've actually shaded all of this in to make him a black kitty. I have a black kitty. 2 black kitties. Accidentally. Didn't mean to have any kitties. That's what happens. Great thing about shading is you can really pick which line you want to go with. If you had multiple attempts, it's less erasing. And then you just shade in your little body here. Now, how do you keep the lines when you shade? There are different ways you can do it. You can shade not as dark on some parts. You can go back and and do that. I like to leave just a teeny tiny little gap. Dark shows light and light shows dark, you know. And then I shade just a little bit lighter near the lines, and I stop just a tiny bit ahead, and then sometimes I come back and do a little line there. The shading is making this cat take the longest, but this isn't the best shading type pencil, but this is just for fun. Okay, so here's our goth kitty, here's our kawaii kitty, here's our kawaii kitty too, sort of like a Pushing cat, and then here's our circle kitty from before. So those are 4 different ways you can make a cat.